Hello guys, today we have this Lexus F Sports Edition. Came here for polish. We will be using the Kochchemie products. We have already used the RKB by Kochchemie for this surface. As you can see, there was a little dust and little dust over here, and which cannot be removed by normal H9 polish. It does not give a smooth finish as we use the RKB by Kochchemie. And the fender of this side as well as the bumper, front bumper has been in an accident and it's been repainted, as well as this side of the car. This door has already been repainted, and you can see, let me show you, this one is repainted, this one is the original color. This one is repainted, and we have used the 2000 grit paper to make the paint level smooth. And now we'll be using the H9 to make it shine, and I hope we can get the similar results like this paint. Okay, this is the car. We have already used the tape. As you can see, the car is a bit modified. They have installed the tail. Over here they have installs, and over here also they have installs. Okay, so this car is a little bit modified, and let me show you the inside of this car. Okay, this is the inside of the car. Okay, it's look a very bit messy. We will also be cleaning inside. The customer didn't say to clean inside, but we will be cleaning this spots over here. I think this one is brake, so the seat is wearing out. We will be cleaning this using the same Kochchemie GS, and after this we'll see. Check. We have this. As you can see, there is a dirt over here. We will clean. So without any further delay, we will start with our Kochchemie H9, followed by P3. Today I am going to use H9. Maybe we will be following by M302, and we will be starting. Before starting, we must put your gloves on your hand, and thank you. Okay guys, so this is the car. This is the after the polish. The car looks like this. As you can see, the polish has been completed. We are cleaning the glasses a little bit. The dust inside the glasses, we are cleaning it. As you can see, it's all shiny. Let me go to the back side of the car. Okay, this is how the car looks. And before coming into our shop, this part of the back fender over here, they have repainted, and we have done the 2000. We have made the paint leveling by 2000 grit sandpaper by 3M. As you can see, it looks shiny and new. And this is our guy over here cleaning the glasses. Vishwas, say hi. Naughty. Okay, so this is how the car looks. The back fender as well as the front fender, as usual, these as you can see, the color over here is a little bit different. This one also been repainted. This bumper has been repainted. The whole bumper is repainted, and he has used earlier the sandpaper. It was a very mess, and now it is all clean and new. So this is how the car looks. As you can see, we have also cleaned the insides. The customer says he need a little clean inside. He didn't need a gold service, in which we clean the inside thoroughly, as well as the engine. The car is clean. As you can see, it is already clean. We will use some wax over here, polish for this black rubber or black leather. We have polish for black leather. We will be using the polish over here, and this is how the inside of the car looks. It is already clean. We are doing some touch-ups, and after that it is ready for delivery. I hope you like it all. See you in the next video. Oi, say hi. as usual, he's a cranky mood today, and see you in the next video. Thank you.